I can't believe today is the 4th of July, and I don't have any money to afford any fireworks at the TNT fireworks store. What am I going to do? I got it. I will steal some fireworks from the TNT fireworks store. Ha 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 ha. Let's see. What fireworks shall I steal? Hey, wait a minute. What does that box say? TNT fireworks. Hall of Famer. Shoots up in the air. Aerial fireworks. Perfect. I'll steal that one.
Stop. Where do you think you're going with that box of fireworks?
I was about to pay for them.
I don't think so. It seems to me that you are trying to steal the box of fireworks. You are not allowed to steal anything at the store like this TNT fireworks store.
But I don't have any money to afford the box of fireworks. That's why I'm stealing them.
Well, if you don't have any money, then you can't afford the box of fireworks. And that doesn't mean that you have to steal the box of fireworks from this TNT fireworks store. No money, no box of fireworks. Give me the box of fireworks right now.
Ugh. Fine. You win.
Now go home while I contact your parents. Hello, Madison's parents. This is the manager of the TNT fireworks store speaking. Your daughter tried to steal fireworks on the 4th of July. Can you ground her, please? Okay. Thanks. Bye.
Madison. How dare you try to steal fireworks from the TNT fireworks store? You are not allowed to steal anything at the store. And you know that stealing from a store like the TNT fireworks store can get you arrested.
But Mom and Dad, I didn't have any money. That's why I decided to steal fireworks from the TNT fireworks store.
It doesn't matter. You still cannot steal from a store, even if you don't have any money at all.
Your mom is right, Madison. And for trying to steal fireworks from the TNT fireworks store, you are grounded for 654 weeks.
That means you will not be watching the fireworks tonight. Now go to your room right now.
Bye.